Hello, my name is Elvis from Rextron, Taiwan. We are from Taiwan. This is our latest product, which is HDBaseT 3.0 Uncompressed KVM Extender. It can transfer HDMI signal, which is 4K 60 Hz, and it's up to 100 meter. This one is our latest model. And the other one is our 4K multi-format transmitter, and we have a 4K scaling receiver here. So there are DP port, HDMI port, and VGA port sourcing. Okay, and we have a HDMI signal out, and we do also have a PIP function and PBP function in this product. And if you are interested in our company's product, please come to Rextron and meet. And you can search this on my website. Thank you.